Good morning. Meron po tayong check na washing machine LG brand. Ito yung kanyang front panel. Hindi siya nakakaikot. Ayan, sira nito ayaw mag-wash at saka ayaw mag-spin. Ito, spin. Try natin. Meron namang display. Try natin i-start kung anong naghahamblang ang motor pero hindi siya umiikot. High ampere ito. Malambot naman, normal naman yung kanyang malamang ito at may damage yung capacitor. Buksan natin to. Yan ang model, wiring diagram. So, pwedeng yan din ang problema. So, ang connection niya, capacitor ito. Here's the original capacitor. 12 microfarad plus 60 microhenry. And we have the replacement of 12 microfarad positive 36 microhenry. We're going to connect this wire to the yellow and red wire here. We didn't destroy the cable. We just splice here an isolation tape. Now we're done with the connection and insulation. Now we're going to test the machine. I'm going to plug in. We'll see what happens. Here's the power. So now where's the spin? Heavy spin. Start. Hear the motor. Timer is again down. Oh, here we are. See, spinning. We did it. We successfully did it. So it's confirmed. The capacitor. Another happy customer on the way. So this is Rob Sound. Thank you for watching. The machine is still working and the time is winding down to 7 minutes. So we successfully did it. As you can see, the machine is still working and time is winding down to 6 minutes from 14 minutes. And see the red indicator for spin is still flashing and the normal indicator. Hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This is Rob Sam saying bye bye, take care.